Grace's toys and family, and steps to draw a really good person if you're 3, 4, or maybe even 5. Okay, so I'm going to start with you. And if you have bangs or not, you could draw a straight line and start drawing your bangs. Okay, I'm going to do that and start going over this way. Okay, now perfect. Your eyes, you should do that and this. And then you should always do this before you draw your pupils. You draw your pupils inside of there. Same on the other one. I didn't really do it that time because, well, people always say my drawing's really good, so and your nose, either if it goes like that or like that, well, mine, and then it goes like that, then I'll do that. If you want, if you're a boy, you can do eyelashes if you want, but since I'm a girl, I'll do eyelashes. And I usually do this. Just a little swoop. But that's okay. And then, now we're going to do that big whatever, you're just going to color it in a little. This, if you didn't know who this is, I already kind of explained it a little, but it's me. If you were wondering if that was the bottom of the mouth, that's the chin. If you want to do that, you should draw some teeth like this. It's for extra details, and then you can do that. And now starters on the shirts and shorts. I'm going to do the hair going down my legs. Okay, so you should always start with that. Go kind of like that. And either if you have one like that, with one. Okay. And it goes like. I'm almost a teenager, actually. Well, I am just about 8. I'm almost a teenager. And I think that's pretty good for the upper body part. Oh my god. There is a mountain lion. That is Gino. I think he might be the first famous cat in the world. Because most YouTube channels are famous, and I think he might be one of the most famous cats in the world. And then I am not wearing a skirt, I'm wearing pants, but I'm going to draw a skirt because, well, pants are like that, and then you can go over there and do the same thing. Okay, so skirt is a little hard. What did you do to your phone? I think, well, and legs, you should go about maybe that far. And shoes like that. You can do whatever shoes you're wearing right now, or that are your favorite shoes, because that's usually what I do. I did not do that. I think that looks pretty good.
It does. Can you hold it up so everybody can see it?
But it isn't done. We still gotta do it.
Oh, okay. But when you're done, hold it up Like by you so everybody can see it.
Just do light scribbles like that. And it'll start to look pretty good and it'll all come together. But if you have like black hair or something like that, you could do that. And I have like light brown hair, so that's just what I would do. This is what I would do. My hair isn't really that long, I'm just making it a okay, so I've also got my ears pierced. And I am going to draw the ears on here speaking. Sorry to use this so big. Okay, should I draw earrings or no? Yes. Okay. Dangly? Yes. Okay. Perfect.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you. And if you're wondering how to draw braids, should I show you back here or should I do that in my next video?
Oh, let's do that in our next video.
Okay, goodbye for now. Mwah.